Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about deglutition, esophageal sphincters, gastric motility, and gastric emptying. So, coming to the definition of deglutition. Deglutition is otherwise known as swallowing. So, it is the process food material from the oral cavity is transported into esophagus. Though it is initiated voluntarily, most part of it is involuntary or reflexive. Therefore, this is also called deglutition reflex. During this reflex, respiration is inhibited, so that prevents the entry of food into trachea. Receptors for deglutition are present near the opening of the pharynx. So, afferent impulse and efferent impulse we are going to see. Afferents are transmitted to deglutition centers in medulla and pons. Efferent impulses are directed to the muscles of pharynx and upper esophagus via few cranial nerves. Coming to the stages of deglutition. So, there are three stages. First, oral stage, which is voluntary stage, next pharyngeal stage and esophageal stage. So pharyngeal stage and esophageal stage are involuntary stages. So first, coming to the oral stage. Oral stage is also called buccal stage. So it is a voluntary stage. At the beginning, the tip of the tongue presses against the hard palate, and then the body of the tongue presses on it. This action of the tongue moves the food backward into the oral cavity. Thus the food bolus is forced into the pharynx. Once the food touches the receptors at the pharyngeal opening. Yes, we learnt in the previous slide, the receptors are present at the pharyngeal opening. So once the food touches the receptors at the pharyngeal opening, swallowing reflex is initiated. So in oral stage, I again repeat, the tip of the tongue and the presses against the hard palate, and the body of the tongue also presses the hard palate. So this action moves the food back into the oral cavity. Then it is forced into the pharynx. Coming to the pharyngeal stage. In this stage, food bolus is pushed into the esophagus without its entry into respiratory passage. So it works through few reflex pathway. So the receptors are present around the pharyngeal opening. Afferent impulses from pharyngeal receptors are transmitted to centers through trigeminal nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve and hypoglossal nerves. So this stage occurs in the following events. The food bolus moves back into the mouth. Upward into the nasopharynx is prevented. Forward into the larynx is prevented. This bolus gets entered into the esophagus. So we are going to see the events in the pharyngeal stage. So the soft palate is pulled in upward direction. The palatopharyngeal folds move in inward direction. So these movements prevent the entry of food into nasopharynx. So I again repeat. So prevention of food particle into nasopharynx is prevented by the soft palate and palatopharyngeal fold movements. So this also provides a small passage for